Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Ram 2500 Laramie Crew Cab 4x4. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine, with 4-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 54,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, DVD player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, leather seats, power door locks, Bluetooth, and power windows.